Hello, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to import contacts, companies, deals, and tickets into Hubspot. If you're managing a growing database and want to keep everything organized, this guide will make the process simple and straightforward. Let's dive in. First, go to the Hubspot website and click the Login button in the top right corner. Hubspot makes it easy to sign in with Google, so click Sign in with Google and choose your preferred account. You'll then be directed to your Hubspot main page. Once logged in, head over to the CRM section. This is the core area of HubSpot where all your contacts, companies, and deals are managed. Next, locate the Lists tab from the CRM dashboard and click on it. Here, you can view and manage all your current lists. Now, select the Import option to start adding new data to HubSpot. Click on Import Data, then hit Start Import to signal that you're ready to bring in new information. Choose the option for importing companies, contacts, and deals so that all your crucial data categories are included. After making your selection, click Next to continue. At this point, get your CSV file ready. Browse your computer and locate the prepared CSV file. Make sure it's formatted correctly to avoid any issues during the import process. Once uploaded, you'll need to map your fields. Mapping is critical because it ensures that each column in your CSV matches the appropriate HubSpot field, keeping your data accurate and organized. Finally, with everything mapped correctly, click to start the import. This will bring all your data from the CSV into HubSpot, allowing you to manage and organize it according to your business needs. And that's it. You've successfully imported contacts, companies, deals, and tickets into HubSpot, keeping your CRM up to date with all the latest information. Thanks for watching, and do not forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful HubSpot tips and tutorials.